Hey everybody, in this video in the Layer 3 MPLS VPN, what we're going to do is we're going to bring in the loopback interfaces. So I do need to add those in. We were not getting those in, and I'll show you where. So if we do a show IP or show run section OSPF, you can see that we're only bringing in the network 172.16 area 0, which actually this one should cover the loopback. However, so this one should cover the loopback because if we do show IP interface brief, there's our loopback. So we'll just have to add 172.16.10 as a network on each of these other ones. So that one is covered. So that's good. So if you could subscribe, I'd appreciate it. Thank you. And if you like something, please like it. If you have a comment, go ahead and comment. All right, let's get started. So we're going to jump onto P2, enable, show run, section OSPF. So config T. And what we'll do here is network (172). No, we have to go into router OSPF 1. And we'll add network 172.16.10.0 0.0.0.255 area 0. So that's what we want to do. So that's going to be our, so we'll just copy that. Okay, P3. Enable conf. And there you see now the LDP neighbors are coming up. So that's, we needed to have those loopbacks in there. So conf T, router OSPF 1. Add that in there, and we should see this one come up. Maybe. There it is. Okay. So remember these are, so now we should see, let's see what we're seeing in here. Show IP route. Let's just look at that real quick. And we're seeing these 32s, right? 10.132 is loopback. 32, it knows it's through 2.2 and 3.3. So that is working. So this is giving us the build out of our OSPF. So we're going to have to, the service provider is going to provide a network when it connects to a customer. So on the customer edges router, you're going to have a network in there. We're going to have to make sure we add that also to OSPF for the label switching once we get to that point. But right now, let's just complete this. Enable conf T router OSPF 1. And let's see, I do not have that copied anymore. So how about that? Let's just do network 172.16.10.0 0.0.0.255 area 0. Okay, so that's 4. Let's do a copy run end, copy run start. So end will take you back to the enable mode, whereas exit will just take you one out. Like if I hit exit at config router, it would take me to just back to config, but end takes me back to the enable mode. So then I can just do copy run start without the do on this version. Okay, so that just came up. And copy run start. and P5 right here. Let's get into that. Conft, and all we want to do is go to router OSPF1 network 172.16.10.0 0.0.0.255 area 0. Okay. And so now we have the loopback. Now let's show this. Show MPLS forwarding table. Let's see what we're seeing. So here now we're seeing the full forwarding table. This looks better. This is what I was questioning in the last one. So show MPLS forwarding table. And there you go. So it knows to pop the label for 10.1, for 16.4.0, 3.0, 2.0. Local label is 16. So 20 local label, outgoing label is 16. 10.2 goes out 5.1. And everything goes out Ethernet 00. So yeah, that makes sense. Good. Okay. So now that we have MPLS working, let's make sure did we copy this already? Copy, run, start. Let's make sure we do save these configs. Copy, run, start. Perfect. Okay, so now MPLS is set up. OSPF is running. MPLS is running on these 5 routers. And we are just about ready to start doing the BGP configuration. So that will be in the next video where we go over some BGP, internal BGP in this AS. So thank you very much. I appreciate it. Please subscribe. Thanks.